We are in Uji. Well, everyone in our group is going to be sitting through a replica of a green tea cha no ceremony. Steve and I decided to walk outside instead. Sorry people, but the tea ceremony is like watching paint dry, and see some of the historical sites here in Uji. When the weather warms up, there's boat rides up and down the river. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. This is so much prettier. Uji is home to two World Heritage Sites, Ujigami Shrine and Byodain Temple. Ujigami Shrine is the oldest existing example of traditional shrine architecture. Byodain Temple is inside here. But we do not have enough time to go see it all. The Uji area was popular among nobility for scenic views it offered of the Uji River. Many country villas were built here. This retreat was converted into a temple in 1052. Most of the temple complex was put to the torch in 1336, but the belfry and the original Phoenix Hall have survived to this day. Now that's what I call worth seeing, and we were not taken to see it. Don't miss it. You can very easily get to Uji from Kyoto. Hardly anybody is here. You take the JR train right from Kyoto. The station is 100 meters away. Stop into an information office. Get an Uji City walking map. It's in English. And prepare to spend a few hours in this very charming town with two UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Signs direct you. They're in English besides Japanese. Way out there where the people are walking is Phoenix Hall. From, I think it said 1326 original